Hello everyone, this is Sanjay Kumar Raikwa. Today we are going to discuss how to create REST client using Feign. So let me introduce first what is Feign. Feign is one of the popular project of Spring Cloud which is used to create REST client. So what are the advantages Feign is providing? First advantage is it make code simpler. Earlier we have to write a lot of code to create for creating any REST client, but if you are using Feign, this make your code very simpler. One more advantage Feign is providing, it is providing integration with Netflix Ribbon, Netflix Joule and Eureka. So I have already created Feign client. You can see here, this is my Feign client. This is one of the REST client which works to consume coupon app. If you will see in this architecture, what we will look into this project, we will create one Feign client which will integrate with Joule, and that Joule will integrate with Eureka, and based on that it will call one coupon instance, coupon application instance. We have already created this coupon microservice and this Eureka and Joule. So in this project we will create Feign client and we will see the integration as well. Even if you don't want to go via Joule, directly you can call this coupon application using Eureka as well. So we will see both the things one by one. As I told you that I have already created this Feign client. So let me open pom.xml file. So this is my pom.xml file. If you want to create Feign client, then this is the main dependency you have to add, is Spring Cloud Starter Open Feign. So we are using here Open Feign. After then, this Feign client will work just like a Eureka client. So we have to add this Spring Cloud Starter Netflix Eureka client dependency. And as I told you that we'll use ribbon as well. So it Spring Cloud Starter Netflix ribbon I need to add. So all the dependencies we need to add. After then, in application.properties file, we have to provide these things. First thing, Eureka URL. So earlier we have created this Eureka server which will work on 8761 port. So same URL we are providing here. And after then we have to provide the application name as Feign client. You can define your application name whatever you want, and server.port, because this application will start on a different port. Every application should start in a different port because all the applications are running in localhost only. So this coupon application should work in a different port, Eureka should work in a different port, Joule should work in a different port, and Feign client should work in a different port. Even we have created this coupon consumer as well. So if you want to start this as well, this coupon consumer application should work in a different port. So let me show you the code now. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So in my main application file, first you have to annotate with @enable Feign client. This will tell This application will behave as a Feign client. Then we have to create one service interface. So this service interface, just like a repository interface, just like in Spring Data we use a repository interface to connect with DB. So same here, we have to create one interface to connect with Feign client. If you want to connect with any service, you have to define that interface, and that interface need to annotate it with @Feign client, and after then you have to provide the name of that service by which you want to connect. Even you can pass the URL as well, but actually we are using here Eureka, and every service is registered with Eureka, so there is no need to pass the URL because services are registered with Eureka with some name. So if you want to call any service with Eureka, we have to pass that service name. So let me call this service with coupon application name, because these coupon apps are registered with Eureka with the name as coupon application. Let me show you that. In my coupon app, in application.properties, you can see here this is the Eureka URL, and the application name is coupon application, and application will work on 8080 port. So same name we are providing here as well. After then, in this coupon app, we have provided one endpoint to access coupon list. To retrieve all the coupons, we have provided this /coupon/all. So I want to call the same endpoint. So in the get mapping, I have to pass the same endpoint, and we have to annotate this @get mapping on top of some method @get coupons. We will call this get coupons method in controller. So I have defined one controller as well. So this is my Feign client controller. Here we will call this get coupon methods. What we are doing, we are, whatever we have defined here, the service, we are auto wiring that service, and after defining that, we will call that get coupons method, and whatever is coming in the response, we are just printing that thing in console. This response, whatever will come in response, we will print that. So we are directly calling this coupon app dot get coupons method, because with this endpoint /coupon/all, that coupon app will be called, and that will retrieve all the coupon list, and whatever we will get, we are printing it here in that response as form of string. So we have to start all the application one by one. First application we need to start. See how we are accessing it. We have to start the Eureka first, because these coupon applications are registered with Eureka. So first we need to start the Eureka. Then we have to start one coupon instance. Then we can start our Feign client. Here there is no need to start Joule, because I have commented that code to work with Joule. You can see here, this is the code for accessing Joule. So I have commented that code. For directly we are accessing this coupon app. This Feign client will access this coupon app based on Eureka, and in this Eureka, my application is registered with the name as coupon application. So let me start Eureka first. So this is my Eureka server, Let me restart my Eureka server. So this Eureka will start on 8761 port, whatever the port we have defined over here, 8761. So in that port, this Eureka will start. Starting, it is taking some time. Till the time it is starting, let me open the browser and let me type that localhost 8761. So this is the Eureka URL. Yeah, let me check my Eureka has been started or not. It is still starting. So my Eureka has been started and it is working on 8761 port. Let me refresh the browser. Yeah, you can see here that Eureka is coming. It is working on an 8761 port. Now I need to start my coupon application. One instant for that coupon application. Let me start my coupon application. So you can see here in this architecture, directly we are calling with Eureka. So let me check whether my coupon application has been started or not. It is still starting. My coupon application has been started and it is working on 8080 port. Let me refresh Eureka. You can see here that coupon application is coming. It is working on 8080 port. So now I can restart Feign client as well. Okay, so this is my Feign client and this is my Feign client application. Let me start this. So my Feign client has been started successfully. And you can see here this ribbon instance it is taking, and that coupon list is coming. You can see here, this is my coupon list. How it is coming in Feign client controller, I was printing this response, same response is coming. So I can say like that my Feign client is working fine because I am getting the proper response. If you want to provide the integration with Joule as well, so we have to make few changes. Let me stop this Feign client first. Then we have to make few changes. In Feign client service, you can see here in this architecture, if you want to connect with Joule, then this Joule application needs to register with Eureka. And now this Feign client will call Joule first, then that request will go to Eureka. After then coupon application will be called. So in this case we have to start Joule server as well. So I have already created that Joule API gateway. You can see this is my API Joule gateway, and in this API Joule gateway I have provided that Eureka URL, and this is my Joule application name, and it will work on 8079 port, and it will connect with coupon application. How it will connect? I am providing this routes, Joule routes coupon app dot service ID. So whatever URL it will prepare, it will add one coupon app keyword in that URL. So the same URL I need to provide while connecting to Feign client. So let me show you this Feign client service. In that, if I want to connect with Joule API gateway, then I have to comment this line and I have to uncomment this line, and I have to pass that Joule API gateway name because my Joule application is registered with this name. You can see here I have provided this name, Joule gateway application. Same name I need to provide here as well. And earlier we were using /coupon/all to connect with coupon app, but as I told you, like we have defined here one routes that will add this coupon app keyword. So the same keyword we have to add it here. If you want to connect through Joule, then we have to add this coupon app keyword. Then we can have to add the same endpoint /coupon/all. So let me comment this and uncomment this. So means now this Feign client will connect. This Feign client will connect through Joule and it will access coupon app which is registered to Eureka. Let me start Joule API gateway first, then I'll restart this Feign client. So this is my Joule API gateway. Let me restart this. So it is taking some time. You can see here my Joule gateway application has been started. Let me restart Eureka. So you can see here this Joule gateway application is coming. Now I have to start my Feign client. So let me restart it. I'll get the same response. Whatever I was getting earlier, I'll get the same response, that coupon list. But URL could be different because it will connect through Joule. So it is starting now. It is taking some time. You can see here it is connecting through Joule application. Okay, so seems we have to restart it again. Let me refresh that. Maybe Eureka is not picking it up. So Eureka is picking it up. This Feign client is coming, which is working on 8085 port, and Joule is working on 8079. Let me restart once again, it will work fine. Let me stop it. And let me restart it again. This will pick up that Joule. Then based on that URL, it will call coupon app. So again it is starting. So actually parallelly we are working with multiple apps, so that's why it is taking some time. You can see here now it is picking up this 8079 server. On which port? This 8079, my Joule application has been started. The same port it is taking, so it means it is connecting with Joule, and now my coupon list is coming. So you can see here I am getting the proper response. So this is how we can create the Feign client, and we can directly access coupon app through Eureka. Even we can access coupon app through Joule via Eureka. So I am done with this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Java Tech Stack. Thanks for watching.